Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change language on MSI Claw. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the settings, and right here select time and language. Go for language and region options, and here you'll find Windows display language, and if you click on this pop-up you'll be able to change into a different language. But before that you will also need to download different language packages. Click on add a language, find the package that you want to install, and then after it's downloaded you will see it right here. Next thing we need to do is scroll down and go for administrative language settings, and in administrative tab we can change our system locale and choose the language that you've just downloaded right here. Then we can go for formats, and in the formats, if you have Match Windows display language, then it's alright. If not, you can select that option or either the language that you also downloaded. Then we need to also apply the settings that are below there, and our language should change. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.